So now we are in the tool Mentimeter. Mentimeter is an online tool to use to make interactive presentations. So during a presentation, you can ask questions to the students and they can, for example, vote by using their smartphone or their computer. To start, we click on the button New Presentation and we give our presentation a name. Once the presentation is open, you will get your first slides and you need to choose what kind of question type you want to ask your students. There are all kinds of question types, so we will start with an open-ended question type. And during an open-ended question type, you ask a question and students can answer by typing a couple of words to a couple of sentences. And then after that, you can discuss the different answers during the lesson. It's very good to use during collaborative learning. So I put my question here and I can decide how the answers of the students will disappear on the screen, this way, one by one, or scrolling down. I will take this one. So I have my first question now, and to add a second question, I will add a new slide. And for the second slide, I will take the question type word cloud. The question type word cloud you use when you need your students to give an answer in a few questions. For example, here, what are the keywords in blended learning for you? You can decide how many times each student can vote and allow if they can vote more than one time. For the last question type, I will add a new slide and we will make a quiz competition. So for the quiz competition, we ask a question to the students. For example, what does the B means within blended learning? And then I give different options, bold, aligned, and blended. And I mark the right question. I also can decide how many what time they need to answer the question. I will say 10 seconds. And I have my 3 questions. So now I showed you 3 types of questions that you can use in a Mentimeter. So after you made the Mentimeter, then you can do the presentation. Yeah? Before that, you can change the theme if you want. We can use another theme. So that changes the background of your presentation. So now we are ready to present our presentation to the students, but that we will show you in another video.